IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. Have you ever had a long journey by public transport? Band 5. Answer.
Yes, I have. I once took a long bus trip to another city. It was very tiring and slow, but I didn't have another choice.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence, basic connection of ideas, lacks detail or elaboration, lexical resource, uses simple words like tiring and slow. Grammar, mostly correct simple sentences, no complex ones. Pronunciation, clear but limited range. Typical of a Band 5, understandable but limited range and depth. Band 7.5 Answer.
Yes, I once traveled from Cape Town to Johannesburg by train, which took almost a full day. The journey was long but quite scenic, and I met some interesting people along the way.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence, smooth and logical flow, ideas well linked, lexical resource, range of vocabulary, scenic, interesting people. Grammar, mix of simple and complex sentences with good accuracy. Pronunciation, natural and easy to follow. Typical of a Band 7.5, fluent, clear, and naturally expressive. Band 9 Answer.
Absolutely. A few years ago, I took an overnight train across several provinces. The rhythmic sound of the tracks and the changing landscapes made the trip surprisingly relaxing, even though it lasted nearly 20 hours.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence, effortless flow, ideas expand naturally, lexical resource, sophisticated and precise, rhythmic, landscapes, surprisingly relaxing, grammar, full control of complex structures, pronunciation, native-like rhythm and intonation, typical of a Band 9, natural, vivid, and entirely fluent speech. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.